Hi everyone, this is Chris from chrislahay.com. Thanks so much for tuning in today and locating this video. I'm going to go over a very cool WordPress plugin that I located that I've been using on sites that I manage, especially helpful in areas of possible content creation. Now with Google Analytics, you'll be able to see what search terms people are looking for when they arrive at your site, but it doesn't show what people were searching for once they do get to your site. And what this plugin does, it's called Search Meter. It tracks the searches that have been performed at your blog, our website. So I'm going to show exactly how this plugin works, install it, do some sample searches, and show you why I love it so much. So obviously you're going to go to your plugins, add new, search for Search Meter, and install. Very small plugin, doesn't take long to get set up. So we're going to activate it. Alright, so now it's activated. You want to go to your settings, Search Meter, just to do a couple of quick checks on it. So you want to show your who you want to show your statistics to. Post authors and administrators is what I usually put. And down here there's a few different items. Ignore searches made by logged in administrators. I always will check that because you don't want what people that are working on the website search for to affect, especially if you're looking for what your audience is looking for. You can hide, do you find this plugin useful? And I don't. I like to give credit to the developer, but keep detailed information about recent searches taken from HTTP headers. Now most people are now using HTTPS, so you're not going to get a lot of information. But whatever information you can get about what your audience is looking for is always helpful. So we're going to save those changes. And what I'm going to do is I am going to go to my website, and I'm just going to do a few searches. Entrepreneur, which I know there's articles on here. WordPress, which again I know there's stuff on there. And Kawhi Leonard, who the Raptors recently signed, and there won't be anything there. So let's go take a look and see what the reports for Search Meter is showing us. You're going to go to your dashboard, and underneath you'll see there's a new section for Search Meter. And this will show you some different information about what's been searched. So as you can see, we have yesterday and today, last 7 days, last 30 days. Entrepreneur, it shows how many searches and how many results you have on your site for that item. WordPress, 1 search, there's 6 items, and Kawhi Leonard, 1 search, 0. Now the reason I've put that term in is because they have a section called Unsuccessful Search Summary. So yesterday and today, Kawhi Leonard, there's no results. So where this can be really helpful is if someone's looking at your website and searching for something specific that's not coming up, if you see enough of those searches, that's going to give you some ideas about perhaps blog posts or landing pages or even products and services that you could offer, because people are arriving at your website and looking for it. So if you're getting a couple searches a day and it's coming up in the unsuccessful search summary, that's a great way of noting, that it's something you should be looking at to add to your site or business. That's why I actually love this so much. One site that I work on regularly for a client, we were taking a look, and literally someone was searching 10 to 15 times a day for a product or service that he wasn't offering. He quickly got that developed. We set up some sales pages for him, and it's actually doing quite well for him. So a great little plugin. Again, it's called Search Meter, and easy to set up, easy to use. I highly recommend it. Thanks again for finding this video. I hope you find it useful. I hope you find the plugin useful. If you did find this video useful, please like, subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. And if you have any WordPress related questions, by all means, drop me a line and I'll answer them if I can. Thanks so much. Take care.